Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just getting ready. I'm fixing to go to work and I'm filming this in case I need an extra video one day. So if we ever see this video outside of the month of February, you know what month it was when I filmed it. So anyways, yeah, I'm just getting ready to go to work and I wanted to film. So yeah, we're gonna do this. Who knows, this could turn into a Valentine's Day look. I don't know. No. I have a different eye look in mind for Valentine's Day, so that should be up now or after or before this video, definitely. I'm doing 2 different makeup looks for that. If you haven't seen that, go check it out because I'm sure it'll be up way before this. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into my makeup. I'm probably just gonna do a quick, simple look. Sorry, I'm playing with my extensions. It's been a while since I put in my extensions and I'm wearing them today and I'm like, oh my god. Can we look how long my hair is with like, okay, so this, I need to go re-straighten that hair. So this is my real hair, like this is how short it is. It's like right there. And then my fake hair goes down to here. So, I mean, I love putting in my extensions. It's been like a hot minute since I put them in. So, but yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up at the end and let me know that you did like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of the Kylie Kinder family. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, I'm going to go in my Dr. Brant Pores No More. I'm just going to squirt a little on my hand. Okay, I'm going to explain this real quick. So, I bought the Morphe foundation and the concealer. I had a really bad experience the first time I wore it because it got really cakey and I did not like it. So we're going to try it out because I don't know if it was just the primer I used or what. So I didn't use primer everywhere. I just did it on my nose because my pores are awful. So we're going to try to go in with this and we're going to see how it goes. And the technique I'm going to use to put this on is I'm going to use a powder brush. This is the technique that Rachel Loves uses, and I love her. She's so, like, peppy, and I love her so much. So I'm going to use this technique, see if it works, and if it makes it lighter and maybe not so cakey. So we're going to go in and try. It's full coverage and everything, but it just, I don't know, it got cakey, and so I didn't like it, and it was really frustrating because, well, from a distance, my makeup looked amazing, but everyone I went up to, and they were like, Kylie, why is your makeup, like, so cakey? And, like, these are people that know makeup. Like, my sister, I even FaceTimed her right after, and she was like, oh my god, your face looks awful. Why does my face look so white right now? I don't know. Trust me, I look more tan than this. I don't look like a ghost right now. And then my friend Alicia, which I'm going to try to get her in a video soon, she even said it too. And I'm just like, well, like, why though? I'm going to go in with this concealer also. See how this works. By the way, I was in the shade, where'd it go? F1120. I'm a whitey. And this is like even still too dark for me. Like, I've honestly been scared to, like, try this foundation again because of how bad it was. And I'm not the only one that had a bad experience with it. If anybody knows Tati, she had the same experience, go see her video. I'm starting to like Rachel Love's technique of the airbrushing thing because I feel like it, like you're able to build up the foundation without making it so cakey. So I like it. Oh, I'm just going in with the Kat Von D contour shade light palette. currently watching the Thank You Next YouTube video. And it cracks me up that Colleen is in this and she's like pregnant, and that baby is so cute. I'm gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm not doing anything dramatic with my eyes. I'm just going to literally throw some of these shades in the crease and then do a pop color in my corner. I'm going to take those colors underneath my eye as well. I'm going to be dramatic, and I'm actually going to take one of the Colourpop Glitterally Obsessed little shadows I've gotten recently, and I'm going to take it in the gold one. Oh, there's that dog again. I'm going to take it in the gold one and put it in my inner corner. Okay, the lashes I'm going to go in with today are Diva lashes, and these are in the style 51. I'll get the name and put it down below. Foundation is actually sitting really prettier now than it did the other day, so... I'm going to go in with the Kylie lip kit in the color, what color is this? Clove. Give me a very deep lip. I'm a fan of my makeup because I just threw it on. So, alright, let's spray my face real quick, and then I'm gonna be out of here. Okay, you guys, this is my final look. I'm like crazy by my eye. Like, it's just so simple. Like, threw glitter in the cream. Threw glitter on, we're good. And this Kylie lip kit is actually really pretty. I haven't worn this before. This is new for me. So I got it for Christmas. So, that was a weird laugh. Anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know that you did like it. And don't forget to subscribe and become a part of the Kylie Kinder family. And I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this little get ready with me. And I will see you guys in my next video.